Welcome to Portacool LLC in Center, Texas. We're the manufacturer of Portacool portable evaporative cooling units and Cool Pads evaporative cooling media. We'd like to share some important information with our distributors concerning Portacool units. This information will help you guide your customers to the best cooling solution for their needs. When your customer has a hot spot they need to cool, that's your opportunity to tell them about the most efficient, cost-effective cooler on the market, Portacool portable evaporative cooling units. For higher temperature environments, Portacool portable evaporative cooling units are portable, powerful, and practical. Portacool units work anywhere traditional air conditioning is not available, impractical, or cost prohibitive. Portacool units lower the temperature an average of 15 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and the unit operates for about $1 a day. The unit runs on tap water and 115 or 220 volts of electricity. Portacool units are economical and they're environmentally friendly as well. No chemicals or compressors are necessary, and no harmful emissions are released into the environment. Portacool portable evaporative cooling units are manufactured in Center, Texas in a state-of-the-art facility. Portacool LLC manufactures the housings and the evaporative media and assembles all components under one roof. Portacool LLC is proud to control all steps of the manufacturing process, helping to guarantee the highest quality products. The rotational molding division is where the one-piece polyethylene housing is made, as well as several component parts. The rotational molding equipment evenly distributes the plastic to ensure consistent thickness of a Portacool housing, including corners and curves for optimal strength and product integrity. This is important to your customers because it means that Portacool housings and parts never rust or crack and are leak resistant. Upon request, Portacool units can be created in virtually any color. Also, the entire unit is UL listed. Competitors' units just have UL listed parts or components. The units are portable and are mounted on casters for easy maneuverability. Even the 48-inch model, the largest unit in the product lineup, will roll through a standard doorway with ease. Heavy-duty casters are available as an option on Portacool units as well, and come standard on the 48-inch model. Every Portacool unit uses evaporative cooling pads in order to utilize the evaporative cooling process. Portacool LLC manufactures the Cool Pads evaporative cooling media used in Portacool units and guarantees the highest quality cooling pads available. Cool Pads are constructed with the industry's heaviest paper, offering the strongest pad on the market. Cool Pads also contain a higher resin content, which provides effective and efficient cooling as well as greater durability, strength, and longevity, and prevents the pads from bowing or sagging. Edge-coated Cool Pads are also available. The edge coating strengthens the pads and provides additional protection in climates where dust and algae may present a problem. Cool Pads are also available in custom sizes and specialty designs to fit our customers' individual needs. Cool Pads are used worldwide in numerous commercial, industrial, and agricultural applications. Portacool units are ready to operate right out of the box. No assembly is required. In order to receive maximum product efficiency and longevity, it's important to read the owner's manual to familiarize yourself with the unit and its operation. The Cool Pads evaporative cooling media will last, with proper attention, 3 to 5 years. If the pads need to be replaced or access to other components is necessary, the process is very easy. To check or replace the pads, simply remove the far right and center screw on the pad flap and swing the flap down to the left side of the unit. The pads will easily lift out of the unit. For ease of removal, start with the center pad. Once you've removed the pads, make sure the sump pump is clean and free of debris and dirt. You may want to drain the sump tank and clean any excess debris. Do this simple maintenance before storing the unit or preparing the unit for fall and winter when the unit is not in use. Quick connect fasteners are a standard feature for the motor, pump, and switch assembly. These are all located inside the UL box, inside the unit, and make replacing a part quick and easy. Portacool maintains a full inventory of replacement parts for any repairs that may be needed. When reinstalling the pads, be sure to reinstall the proper way for airflow. Arrows on the pads indicate the proper position for the pads. Install the center pad last. Portacool portable evaporative cooling units provide ease of operation for everyday use. Portacool units come with a generous power cord. Plug the power cord into a standard 115-volt outlet. For international orders, other voltage configurations are available. Attach a standard garden hose or a Portacool portafiller tank to the unit to ensure water is available. Portacool units must have a constant water supply to prevent pump issues. Turn the pump on, and you'll see moisture begin to streak down the pads. When starting the unit, always turn the pump on first to soak the cool pads. The pads will soak in just a few minutes. You may now turn the fan on. When turning the unit off, turn the pump off first to let the fan dry the pads. The pads will dry in just a few minutes. Then turn the fan off. This is the most important maintenance tip to offer. Drying the pads before turning the fan off will keep your pads from developing algae growth or unwanted accumulation of debris that can disrupt the sump pump. The water regulation valve allows the user to adjust water flow to the pads for maximum cooling in their climate. This feature is one that's not offered by competitors. The unit is shipped with the water regulation valve adjusted to half. Turning it to the right closes the valve, restricting the water, and to the left opens the valve, providing more water to the unit. If your relative humidity in your area is lower, your Portacool unit can evaporate more water and facilitate a more dramatic temperature drop. You may adjust the valve accordingly to achieve maximum cooling for the climate in your area. Portacool units cool effectively even when the humidity is high. Water flow can be adjusted down to prevent excess humidity. In high humidity conditions, the 6-inch cool pads allow water to contact with surrounding air for the highest level of evaporation possible. To drain the unit, turn the external water source off. Close the water intake valve and open the water release valve. Once you turn the pump on, the water will drain out of the unit. A water hose may be connected to direct water removal outside of your facility. Allow the unit to drain completely, then turn the pump off. Evaporative cooling is a unique process. It's not an air conditioner or a misting system. Using an all-natural cooling process, Portacool portable evaporative cooling units blow high volumes of cool, dry air and can be positioned anywhere cooling is needed. When operated correctly, Portacool units do not disperse any water, so you never have to worry about items rusting or water accumulating on floors and walkways, making working conditions unsafe. The size unit you select should be based on the square footage that needs to be cooled. If the area is larger than the capacity of a single unit, you can combine units to cool the larger area. A variety of sizes can be used to cool any size area. People working in high-temperature environments cannot perform at their best. Your customer will find that after introducing a Portacool unit into hot environments, productivity will go up, and employees will require fewer breaks or even sick days. Portacool units are easy to operate, easy to clean, easy to maintain, and are the perfect cooling solution for athletic events, construction sites, special events, automotive repair and service shops, factories, warehouses, stables and kennels, agricultural applications like poultry, hog and dairy farms, workshops, pool areas, restaurants, aircraft facilities, military uses, and greenhouses. They're the perfect solution for cooling people, animals, and equipment. You also need to be familiar with the different models Portacool LLC manufactures and the capacity for each size unit. Portacool LLC offers a product lineup to meet virtually every cooling challenge. The 48-inch Portacool unit cools 4,000 square feet and features a 2-speed motor and heavy-duty casters for easier mobility. The 36-inch unit is available with 3 different motor options. Single and 3-speed units cool up to 2,500 square feet. The variable speed model cools approximately 2,650 square feet. The 24-inch unit cools about 1,800 square feet. The size is great for assembly lines, mechanics bays, dugouts, laundry and dry cleaners, and so much more. The 16-inch unit is available in 5 different models, including 1/2 horsepower heavy-duty and variable speed filler cart models. These units cool from 600 to 1,000 square feet and can be ducted for more concentrated cooling. The filler cart models feature a 22-gallon tank for up to 8 hours of operation without a water source. The Portacool Cyclone 3000 is a more compact unit with a centrifugal air delivery system. This process allows for a smaller product footprint while still cooling a large area. Both 48-inch and 36-inch units are available in hazardous location models for areas where flammable materials are known to be airborne. These units are safety orange for high visibility, intrinsically safe, and are rated for Class 1 Division 1 Group C and D. Switches, cords, and motors are sealed to prevent sparking and accidental explosion in highly combustible areas. The pump and all fittings are made of non-sparking brass. A 50-foot cord is standard on hazardous units. This allows the unit to be stationed 50 feet away from the electrical source for safety. Pneumatic models are an effective portable evaporative cooling system for special applications where high-volume airflow or ducting is needed. Be sure to tell your customers about the full line of accessories that are available for Portacool units. Covers, filters, and heavy-duty casters are available for all units. MK47 mineral treatment is available to treat and prevent mineral buildup on pads. A ducting adapter is available for 16-inch units. Also, a Portafiller 50-gallon water reservoir provides water where a constant water source is not available. All Portacool products come with a 1-year warranty. Portacool LLC also provides a knowledgeable customer service department available to answer any questions and make sure orders are handled efficiently and quickly. We hope this program has been helpful. If you have any questions, please call and speak to your local field rep or call our helpful staff at 1-800-695-2942 or 936-598-5651. To contact parts and technical support, call 888-COOL-AID. That's 888-266-5243 or 936-598-1420. Email address is info@portacool.com. For more information on our products, please visit us online at www.portacool.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this program. And remember, for higher temperature environments, Portacool portable evaporative cooling units are portable, powerful, and practical.